My old rice burner burnt out, so I went ahead and ordered a new one. You can get it on Amazon. This particular one is a little bit smaller than the one that I had before, but this is made by Aroma, and it appears to be made well. I feel good about it. It's a aluminum extruded bowl, and it looks like it holds 1 cup. The inside of it looks real made well. Comes with a cup. You basically put in a cup of rice and a cup of water. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.